Well, I just started cross training here on April. So I have having a good ride because there is a lot of dynamic, movement here. Like there is always things to do, new stuff. I like Leshmi, so it's kind of like creative and throw stuff and figure out, ask you to figure out how to do it.
I'd say my favorite project that I really worked on was the UAS drone research because it's so new and like it's like the applications for drones in the Department of Transportation is so like new and so it's something that like you can't even really describe like what they're going to be for in the future until like they start getting out in the field. I mean, for example, I would have never thought that you could use a drone to recover avalanche like blasts that were duds and didn't go off. So that was probably my favorite project that I did is making that article.
I think the thing that is not the best, but it's most important is we work with all of CDOT to find out what every user needs to design a project and get that project built and advertised and constructed. And the coming together of everyone and helping those people and making that work. I think that's a huge piece. And if we can get that to work and have everyone on the same page and more consistency and more user-friendly applications where our designers are more efficient, maybe less consultant work, and we can do more with CDOT internally rather than externally. But I think it's incredible what's going on. They're trying to make that streamlined.
I like engineering applications because, number one, they're trying to do away with paper, which will help save some trees. So I think that's very important. And then it helps the engineers, it makes their job easier if they don't have to lug all this paperwork around. Like the plan sets, can become kind of hectic sometimes trying to carry these plans from one project to another, So I think what Lakshmi's doing is really cool.
So I think that my favorite part about engineering applications is the fact that everyone kind of has a very interesting and different background, which I think is really cool. We have a lot of people that are cross-training, which some of them are in civil rights, some of them have been administrative assistants, but then there's also people that have a background in engineering, some people that have a background with computer science, and I mean even Jen too, she has a marketing background, but we all work together and we all work cohesively, which I think is a really great dynamic, and yeah.
I don't know. I think just working with Lakshmi has dispelled a lot of the doubts that I had about any kind of proactive thinking in government. So I had the opportunity. I thought, yeah, let's see how it goes. And then it's been a year. So I think a lot of it is her and just some of the initiatives that they're working on, and and giving me the freedom to be creative. Came up with a newsletter idea, writing articles, just giving more of a face and a voice to the department, which it really didn't have before. I think it's more defined now, and I think we've become a lot more visible.
At CDOT specifically has definitely provided me with a lot more experience in a field that I'm really interested in working in, helping make our roads better, helping our infrastructure just get so much better. So I think it's something that's just so important to the way that we work every day. If you think about it, you drive a car every day, you walk every day, you ride a bike every day, so why not help someone do something that you do every single day?